Hi viewers, welcome back to my another video. Today I'll show you a beautiful idea with cardboard and clay. So I made a clay dough with chalk powder, corn flour, white glue, water and tissue paper. When dough is made, I will keep it in a box and I will do all kind of work with it. First, I dot the face with a pencil on the board. Now take water and glue in a bowl and mix it well. Now I will apply this mixture and make a face with clay on top of it. Remember to work with this clay. After applying one coat, let it dry thoroughly before doing other work. Now I am cutting some triangular shape out of plastic bottles. I made these pieces in both small and big sizes. Now I am attaching the plastic pieces around with gun gum. Since I am going to make a sun, adding these plastic pieces adds to its beauty. Most of it dry now, so I am doing some detailing on it. I am making the areas that I thought were rough and problematic. Where there are problems, I am making them a little neater. When the work is complete, I will air dry well, not sun dry. Now I will rub the high and low areas with a grease paper. I will paint yellow twice. This time I have painted the color that is applied to the wall. Now I am applying the pieces of the big plastic bottle. I will do the complete color one by one. I have done this color with acrylic color. When the whole work is done, I will varnish with now. I will put this sun that I made in my rope garden. You can also decorate it at home if you want. No matter where you put it, everyone will come and see your decoration sun and praise you. I hope everyone will try it. Until today, if you want to see more new ideas, please subscribe to my channel and stay by like, comment and share. Everyone will be fine. Bye.